Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we continue to work on our Mustangs. Currently we are bleeding the brakes. We're doing this off camera because this is so boring, and the engine, everything is tapped off, fluids and all. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the front end together and the interior and the rest of the car. So I'm gonna accomplish this whole thing in one video and hopefully go take it for a test drive. I got two fenders on, headlight panel, fender on, got all the gaps. Now let's just see how it looks from the front. That intercooler looks, that oil cooler looks badass. Alright, so let's get the bumper, inner fender shield. Alright, she's sitting on all four wheels. Put my IBAC springs on there, so it's looking much better. No more 4x4 look, because those Mach ones are a little bit higher, plus everything is out. So once I put all that thing back, I'll settle even more down. The front end is buttoned up. I put my old headlights on. I have new ones that I ordered, but I'm going to put those later, because right now I'm just going to try this on for a minute. And got to put the air filter on, and I think this calls for a test drive. It's like a cherry on top. So I think we should just take it for a spin to see if everything is the way it's supposed to be, and then we'll move on to interior because that's the easy part. Alright, so it's gonna be our first test drive, so let's go start it and let's go for a little rip. Definitely good, but we need new brakes. She's driving good. The temps are good. Oil pressure is good. Everything is good. Seatbelt is going off. I don't have a seatbelt yet, but she is free flowing. Just the brakes are kind of like shot, but I'll work on this later. The brakes
Good job.
The louvers are in. They look pretty good. I just love the way this comes down here, and it matches this opening right here better than the whole piece right here that goes, and you have like a little pocket here. I like the open made one much better. Also cleaned up the carpet. We're gonna use this one since this one's better versus the old one that I have. And so next thing is we're gonna put that in and start assembling the rear back of the car. Alright, status update. Half the dashboard is buttoned up, got the radio, AC controller, got my cold seats, wiring down here because I want to use my S550 seats, and the back is buttoned up. Looks really good. Kind of like the black interior. The leather seats for Mach are top notch. Looks really good. Alright, so let's get the door trim, speakers, and then the seats. Oh man, it feels really good to be this close. Interior is in, everything is in. Now I'm gonna put the S550 seats in, and then the trunk and the rest of these things. But so far, like the main parts, the interior, and then the engine, the coolants, fluids, springs, everything is tightened up, and then I just gotta do the trunk. But yeah, it feels really good. So let's get the seats in there and you'll see the difference S550 seats make in this car. we have the interior in right now. It's kind of dark to see, hard to see, it's night, but interior is in fully. Everything is done, and even my cold seats are on there right now. So next thing we want to do, this bad boy is on there too, China mode. It's really shitty quality. So next thing we want to do is, I got a new compressor. Since my compressor was making a lot of noise, I think the bearing was shot on it, so might as well change it while I have the whole car apart. So we're gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna put the hood, the scoop, and should be pretty much done. And just like that, you don't even have to work, somebody else does it for you. It's really simple. There's only like 3 screws and 1 screw that holds cables. And here they are side by side. As you can see, this one spins really easy, and then this one
noisy.
Yeah, the bearings are gone, everything is shut on it. So I do actually want to see what's inside, so I might open it later in my later video. But let's put in this guy back and then call it done. New AC compressor is in. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a new accessories belt on as well, and then we'll put the shaker and the hood. Shaker hood is on, shaker is on as well. However, the hood is gonna need to be fixed. It has a lot of cracks, and there's gonna be a video itself. It's cracked on 2 places, right here and main area here, actually more like 3 places, but and also separated. So this will be fixed on a separate video, but for right now, just for aesthetics, we put her on, but later on I will put my Cobra hood on until I get this one fixed. Yeah, it's coming along. Still got to do the side skirts and the trunk, and she will be complete. Right? Right?
Right.
Here is the engine bay all finished up. Everything is good. I will also have to power wash it again because greasy hands, greasy everything, but it came out really good. Now let me show you the snorkel. She is officially done. We have all the parts moved from Mach to the V6. Now this car is an ultimate beast, and driving it is really cool. And it just looks super nice. Obviously the paint has to be done, but it will be done in the spring when it's cooler. Right now it's getting hot in Vegas. Here is the interior. This is a quick walkthrough. I will have a full reveal video on this car from everything and on driving. So right now it's just a quick walk around, but she is done. Filthy as well. We'll need to wash her. We'll need to wash the garage. We'll need to clean some of these parts, see what I don't want to keep, and list it up. But she is looking like a beast. Absolutely love these louvers, the way they come like this. Match half of the open side scoop. Looks really good, better than the full scoop. Black interior as usual. And I also pre-wired my cool seats. Since I still don't have the AC, you gotta recharge the AC. So running the cool seats is really cool. And also the hood needs to be fixed. That's gonna be another part of the video. And there's gonna be maintenance. There's gonna be more videos on this car, but just for right now, she is done. And driving her is a really cool experience. Even compared to the GT, it's so different. Has so much power, so much torque. And like I always say, thank you guys so much for staying with me on this transformation for my V6 Mustang. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.